Hi everyone, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Today I'm going to show you how to make Junnu using ready-made Junnu powder. Junnu is a delicious, soft and chewy Indian dessert that can be enjoyed with the loved ones. Today I'm using this ready-made Junnu powder which comes in a pack. You can make Junnu at home with this Junnu powder. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 cups of Junnu powder, 4 cups almond milk, half cup jaggery, half teaspoon crushed cardamom powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Stir everything well until smooth without any lumps. Now place this bowl in a pressure cooker and steam it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, once the milk has steamed up, turn off the flame and let it cool down for a few minutes. Enjoy your delicious and soft Junnu made with just a few simple ingredients. This recipe is easy to follow and requires minimal effort. So give it a try and enjoy this delightful dessert. If you like this recipe, please like this video, share this recipe with your loved ones, do comment your feedback and please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments.